How to fix Facebook advertising access permanently restricted. In order to fix this issue, what you want to do is head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, it will be landing you on this page. Once you are in this page, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and move into Help and Support. Inside Help and Support, tap on Report a Problem. And then tap on Continue to Report. You can click on Don't Include. So as there is an issue of advertising, tap on Ads at the very top of the screen. Now in this page, you have to enter the issue that you have been facing on Facebook. Well, if you don't know what to write, then you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written in this page. You can simply write, "My Facebook advertising access has been permanently restricted. Please help me fix this issue as soon as possible." You can also include the screenshot. After that, tap on Send at the top right corner of the screen. Within 24 hours, they will analyze your problem and then come up with the specific solution for you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Facebook advertising access permanently restricted. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.